So today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite drinks, actually two of them, B-52 and the flaming B-52.
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
This is one of the drinks that I learned how to make when I was, in my early 20s. One of the first things that I learned about drinking. This is kind of the thing that I started with. So let's start with some ingredients, all right? What you need is Bailey, the original Irish cream, all right? And you also need some coffee liquor, Kahlua. Okay, you can get all of this at your liquor store, And you also need Grand Marnier. This is the orange liquor. And this is 40%, all right, for 40%. And normally, you just need those three. But if you want to make the flaming B-52, then you also need the Bacardi 151, which is actually a 75% alcohol rum. But you cannot get that anymore. Like, you cannot get Bacardi 151. They don't make it anymore because it's just not a very nice drink. It's because people do stupid shit with 75% alcohol, so they stop making it. So what I can find in Vietnam is this. So this is the Vietnamese rum. It's called Sampan and made in Vietnam. This is not 75%, but this one is rated for 65%. This is pretty strong stuff, Ooh, it burns. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, 65%. All right, so let me get started on. I'm already drunk. All right, okay. I'm already drunk. So let's get started on the making of the B-52. So the B-52 is actually a 3-layered drink. So you can actually 3 different layers of colors. I will show you what that looks like. So first, let's make the B-52. We always start with, I believe we start with the Kahlua, all right? So we start with the coffee liquor, and typically you want to use something like a spoon, all right? So this will help you. Well, at this bottom level, you don't really care. You just pour like 1/3 in there, all right? 1/3 in there, all right? 1/3. We'll make several, all right? We'll make 8 drinks. So, and I'm gonna drink it all right? So by the end of this episode, I'm gonna be very drunk. All right, so 1/3 coffee liquor, Kahlua, all right? And let's put that away. And then for the second layer, we're gonna use Bailey's, all right? We're gonna use Bailey. The trick here is to pour the Bailey very slowly into the glass. If you pour the liquor into the glass too fast, it's gonna mix. Then you don't get your color effect, right? So how you can pour slowly into the glass is by using a spoon. So I have this spoon. This is actually used for ice creams, but I use it for pouring liquor like this. So this will slow down the speed at which the liquor will go into the glass. So I don't know if you can see, now we have a 2-layer drink like that, all right? So we want to do that for all of them. So let's do that for all of them, all right? So again, being slow is the key. You don't want to go too fast on this because then it'll all mixed up and you won't have the layered effect. So again, I hope you can see that. So now we have two distinct layer, all right? The coffee liqueur and the Irish cream. They do not mix. And they're both very sweet. So this, they're both very sweet to taste. And they're also very strong. So I'm gonna have a very good night of sleep after 8 shots of this, all right? So, all right, so that looks good. Next, we wanna put in the orange liquor, the Grand Marnier. Now, this is the hard part because this is actually more liquid than the other two. This is more creamy. This is more liquid. So as you pour this in, it's gonna mix very easily with the Irish cream. So again, speed is the key, right? You wanna do it very, very slowly so it does not mix. So you wanna get that 3 layers. It may not be easy, so, I mean, I'm not a professional bartender, you know, so I'm gonna, oh shit, see, that was way too fast. So I did not get the layered effect. All right, that one didn't work out so well. All right, so you can see a little bit of layered effect, but it's not great. So we have to go slower. Oh fuck. Oh, still too fast. Well, I guess this one's better than the last one, but still, I pour in too fast. So it's not really the best. Okay, let's really go slow on this one, okay? Oh, you gotta have steady hands. Oh God. Oh, I can say this one's the best so far. I don't know if you can see, but that is 3 layers. You can 3 different colors, right? It's still not perfect because I know I can do better than this. Let's see if I can pour even slower, just drips down. Don't go too fast, okay? Oh yeah. Oh, this is the best so far, okay? Okay, this one you can really see distinctly. It is 3 layers. Can you see that? 3 layers, all right? 3 different colors, and it's delicious. So let me just finish this. I'm gonna try to build the 3-layer effect, but I also don't wanna like waste too much time, you know? So I wanna do this slowly, but I don't wanna do it too slowly. Then you'll just be watching me. Oh, that's too fast. All right, this one. I wanna make it beautiful, okay? I wanna make it beautiful. Beautiful. Can I make it beautiful? Come on, make it beautiful. All right. No, too fast. Okay. This one, I really want to make it beautiful, okay? Oh shit, too fast. Okay. So I think out of all of these, I think this one really is the best. Look at that. This truly is 3 layers, okay? I mean, if you have the patience and you pour in slowly, you would get that. This is B-52. Cheers. Oh, not bad. Cheers. Một hai ba vô. Oh. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna make the next drink, which is the flaming B-52. So for that, we are going to need one more ingredient, which is going to be the Vietnamese sampan, 65% rum. All right, so this is gonna be flaming B-52 Vietnamese style, all right? I don't think anybody makes it like this. This is probably the first time it's been done like that with Vietnamese rum. And again, now you want to create a fourth layer, okay? It's very important that you create that fourth layer. You want this Vietnamese rum to float at the top of this drink. Because as you can see, later on, we're gonna put it on fire. Wait, speaking of which, I gotta get some fire. There we go. Fire. We need fire. All right. Oh shit. I probably should like. Come on. How do you do this? All right. So we're gonna use that for fire. All right. Again, similar to what we did before. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pour in the Vietnamese rum very, very slowly, even slower than the orange liquor, because again, we really need this rum to flow at the top of the glass. If you go in too fast, then it's not gonna burn, all right? All right, just want that top layer of rum. Oh fuck, too fast. Oh shit, that didn't work. Oh, I ruined it. Okay, slowly. You just want to create that top layer of rum. And this rum is clear. So there should be a top layer of, you know, clear liquor. Oh shit, fuck, too fast. Man, steady hands is everything here, man. You gotta have steady hands. Oh shit, too fast. All right. So this one's got, you can probably see this one's got 4 colors. All right, 4 colors. You can see the coffee liquor, the Irish cream, the orange liquor, and at the very top there is the Vietnamese rum. Okay, let's put the rum away. All right, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these drinks together. Very important. You wanna use a high quality glass for this because we're gonna put the stuff on fire. And obviously, you don't want your glass to break because it's on fire. It's gonna get hot here, right? Just gonna wipe it here. Oh, I'm gonna turn on the fire a little bit. Oh yeah, baby. Is it on fire? We don't know. Is it burning? I can't tell if it's burning. But let's turn the light off. All right, let's turn the light off. All right, can you see that? It is fucking burning. It is actually blue flames. If the light is on, you can't see it. But if you turn the light off, you can see that it's actually burning blue flames. All right. This is the flaming B-52, all right? It actually feels really hot. I don't know how to put the fire out. Gee whiz. Let's turn the light back on. And let's take, oh, it's hot. Let's like, stop the fire. Okay, is it still like, oh shit. Oh. Fuck. I don't know how to like, well, I don't know how this works. Okay. All right, that stopped. Oh no, I can't like stop the fire. Is that dead? No, it's still burning. Dude, I can't stop it. Oh, what do I do? Oh, well, this one's okay, I think. I don't want to burn myself. I don't want to, oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Okay, let's see. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh. That's shot number 3. Is this still on fire? I think this is okay. All right. Shot number 4. The rim is still hot, very hot. I don't want to burn myself, you know? Is it? Oh, it's still on fire, man. Come on. Come on, how do I do this? Did I put it up yet? Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, it's like a science experiment. Like, you're gonna put the fire out by basically remove oxygen from the equation. So no oxygen, no fire. All right. I think there's like nothing more burning, just to make sure, because we can't really see the flame. All right, nothing's burning. All right, this is really hot. All right. Okay. So 4 more shots. 4 more shots. Cheers, buddy. Oh, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, it's hot, it's hot. Oh, oh, it's hot. Oh, oh, it's hot. Happy Valentine's, you know, like Easter, whatever. Oh, 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 I'm like, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Fuck. So number 5, no, what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7 shot, flaming B-52. I'm already feeling it. I think I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna have a really good night of sleep tonight. Oh, oh, why do I do this to myself? What a stupid idea is this? Okay, last one. Okay, cheers to you. Take fucking action and don't be a fucktard. Oh.